Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials. I created this video as a tutorial for the people in the organization I belong to create a calendar with a schedule of events for that organization, and I just thought this would be a great tutorial for anybody else that needs to create a calendar with a schedule of events for themselves or for their organization. Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to build a scheduling calendar for your group or organization. Stay tuned. Okay, what we have here on the screen is a scheduling calendar for the Mississippi Community Band for the concert year 2016-2017. Now, I'm going to have to change this to make it the current year, which as of right now is 2019-2020. Let me show you how I do that. And if you don't already have one of these calendars, you need to go to vertex42.com/calendars. On this website, you can download the templates for a whole bunch of different calendars. I'm not quite sure which one of these I use for the academic year calendar, but you can change it, and I believe you can try downloading a lot of these and figure out what you want for yourself. Let's go back to that other calendar. Now in this calendar, the first thing I'm going to have to do is change 2016, 2017. I'm going to change that. Let me show you what I'm doing. You can see this cell right here has a formula in it. It's the year, open parentheses, day, open, close, and then close parentheses, ampersand, and then the rest of that formula for putting in the 2019-2020 calendar year. The next thing we need to do is to change the start date for this year. It used to be 2016. Let me put that in there and show you what happens, because when you click on one of these dates in the calendar, you can see that cell has this very complex formula that the Vertex 42 people have already done for you, and you don't have to do it. So if I change this year from 2019 back to 2016 like it had been and hit enter, you'll see all of these calendar titles change to be 2016. I don't want that. I want to change it back to 2019 and hit enter. And now we have it back to where it was. Now for my calendar, I want to have the background color in the cells indicate what's going on. So what I have to do is pick a background color that I want to have the concert dates on, and I turn that one blue. If I want the rehearsal dates, I want to turn that one pink. If I want to have a board meeting, that's going to be yellow. And if I want to have a band party, that's going to be a dark red. And let me show you how I do that on the old calendar. The first thing I want to do is come down here to the dates of note, scroll to the bottom where it says concerts, and I want to put in the current concert dates. Now the first concert is going to be August the 24th of 2019, so I'm going to hit F2 and put in August the 24th of 2019 and hit enter. Now I'm going to change the rest of these. And I have to remember that this year is not 19 anymore, but it's 20. Now I'm going to go back and change the background of the 24th of August to blue. Let me find the 24th of August. So August of 2019, I want the 24th to be blue. This one is blue, so I'm going to click on it to select it. I'm going to come up to the upper left-hand corner, click on the Format Painter, and click on the 24th to make it blue, and it paints the blue in the background of the previous one and makes it bold. Now I'm going to take the 10th, which has no background color and no bold. I'm going to click to copy the format and paint that on the 17th, and we now have August is set with the 24th blue and the 17th is the clear background. The next thing I want to do is figure out what days we have rehearsals. Now this says pink background is no rehearsals. I don't want to do that. I want to change that to be pink background equals rehearsal. Okay, I have changed this here, so the pink background equals rehearsal, and I have changed all the pink backgrounds so that we have before the concert, we rehearse on Monday nights. Concert is on the 24th. 1, 2, 3, for 5 rehearsals are pink before the 24th. We know those are going to be our rehearsal dates. We can look at the rest of the calendar and see how many rehearsal dates we have before each concert. We have here on November the 18th is no rehearsal, and that's because November the 21st is Thanksgiving Day. So we've decided to give the band off for that particular date. And we did the rest for all the rest of the concerts. The next thing we need to do is to update the standard holidays and the Jewish holidays. We want to get Labor, Halloween, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and we want to put those first over here, get the correct dates for those in 2019 and 2020, and then take this red font and make that red font the date that we have. So December the 25th is going to be right here, and we want to change that font to red, and we want to change the font on the 29th, Format Painter Copy, Format Painter Paste. That is, now we have the 25th is a holiday. Then we do the same thing with the green font for the Jewish holidays, which you can see we have some here for 2000 or Jewish year 5775, and that's just in case we want to avoid some of the Jewish holidays for the Jewish members of our band. Finally, the thing to do is to update the board meetings to the current dates, and the board meetings, we now have them, are going to usually be the Monday before the concerts. So there we go. I have those selected. I'm going to hit Control-C to copy. I'm going to click on here to select it. Going to Control-V to paste. And I'm just going to select each one of these, hit F2 to update it, and go 2 days before it. 16 plus 2 rather is the 18th. Boom. The 7th plus 2 is the 9th. Let me finish that up. And we want to copy the background for these dates to be yellow and get rid of the yellow in other dates. Okay, let's just pick one and show you what we do here. The concert on August 24th has a board meeting on the 26th, so that is correct. Let me get another one of these concerts, October the 5th. Let's go over here. That's set on October the 5th, the 7th. That's good. Our board meetings are all set up. And once we have that, the only thing we have left to do is to print. Okay, we're now going to print. I'm going to select the top left cell I want to print. There it is. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and get the bottom right cell I want to print, which is right here. Hold down Shift and click. That's all selected. You set your print area by going to Page Layout, go to Print Area, and we set Print Area. Once we have set the print area, we're going to print it to a PDF. If you have a PDF application installed on your computer, you just use it as a printer and print to a PDF, and from that PDF file you can then export it to a JPEG, which is a graphic that you can put on your website. Let's go ahead and go File, Print, and select my printer. In my case it would be Adobe PDF, and that would print this, and you can see right here it prints exactly what I want to a PDF. If you do not have printer installed, you can come down here on the left-hand column, click Export, and create PDF XPS document. So we're going to create a PDF document, and it will twiddle for a second and then bring us up here. I'm going to go to my correct storage location, which for my case is going to be OneDrive, Band, Docs, Calendars, and I'm going to do MCSB Calendar 2019-20. I already have that one, so I'm going to make this one B so we don't overwrite the one we had. And I'm going to hit Enter, and it'll twiddle for a second, generate the calendar, and we will then have it in our file folder where we generated it and be able to export it. Let me show you that right now. Once you have the calendar open in your PDF document handler, Adobe Reader is free. You can look that up and check it out. All you have to do is go to File, Export to, Image, JPEG, and it will ask you where you want to put it. And I have it Band, Docs, Calendars, MCSB Calendar 2019-20 JPEG, and click Save, and it will export it to a JPEG. Let me show you that right now. MCSB Calendar 2019-20 B JPEG, boom, and there it is. It's a JPEG. You can embed that on your website. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, give us a thumbs up so the YouTube robots will know that you found this a very helpful video. And if you're not already a subscriber to David's Tutorials, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. And also click the bell icon, and YouTube will give you a notice whenever we post another great tutorial right here on David's Tutorials.